Hi friends, I'm Clark. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a copyright symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a copyright symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. First of all, open a document here. I'm just going to zoom inside this. I'm just going to insert a copy symbol. So if you are just going inside the insert option in the here, you can't find insert symbol option because there is no insert symbol option. You just can use an alternative as your keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard. You can just download it from Play Store. So now it's open. Now you just need to click on this number section. Now you can see a lot of symbols. Just click on this button to have extra symbols. So here you can find the copyright symbol. This is the one of the way that you can just insert copyright symbol. Other way is to just click here, open the keyboard, just click on this emoji section, and here you just type as copyright. Okay, you can find the copyright symbol here also. These are the two ways that you can insert a copyright symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.